after completion the course online and passing the exam, you'll be invited to come to the cadaver lab where we'll go over certain aspects of the technique, hairline design, technique of anesthesia. You're gonna have the opportunity to practice the infiltration, understanding hair direction, making incisions, harvesting follicles. Then you'll be invited to come into my clinic for one-on-one, hands-on, in front of a patient. We're gonna continue and help you mastering everything that you need. On top of that, there is a mentoring program that will help you once you open up your own practice. ECAMS is the only program that will offer you a mentoring program where we can even come to your clinic, help you set up and perform this technique to the highest standard. Thank you. This is Dr. Bisanga.